So my English honors thesis is on a 17th century opera by John Dryden called The State of Innocence, which is an operatic adaptation of John Milton's Paradise Lost. It's half criticism, half composition. The opera was never set to music, so I decided that since there's no score for this opera, since it was never performed, I might as well write music as well, and that can be a part of the thesis. And the English program here is just so flexible in that way that they allowed this half music, half English thesis to be a part of the honors thesis program. So for about 6 months, I just read scholarship, criticism, and history on the period. And I looked at the history of Restoration theaters, how they were organized, how they were set up, when the modern theater came to be, which was in many ways around this period. I studied the importance of Restoration theater to the period, the idea that when people went to a play, they were really also going to hear the music played by some of the best musicians in the city. So I've been listening to scores by Henry Purcell and Matthew Locke, both contemporaries of Dryden, really listening to the musicality and the instrumentation of the music, and that will better inform the score that I write for the State of Innocence. So it's important to remember that it was from an English class that this music project really came to be. And just being here at Penn, being surrounded by faculty and students interested in all these different studies, really does help to inform my creative process, exposes me to things that I would not have encountered otherwise. And because of that, I feel like I'm coming out of Penn a far better composer.